Hi everyone, it's me Ranger Tech. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 details leaked. Let's get started. In addition to the much anticipated Galaxy Note 20 series, the Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Tab S7, Samsung will also be unveiling the Galaxy Watch 3 at the upcoming August launch. According to Sam Mobile, the source has also published the relevant key specifications for Samsung next generation wearable. Bearing the model number STD810G, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 will come in stainless steel and titanium option. Both editions P68 certified to survive 15 meters deep for up to 10 minutes. Samsung has coated the face of watch with Gorilla Glass to protect it from scratches and falls. It also bringing back the rotating dial feature, which had been looped off in the Galaxy Watch Active series. Offered in two sizes, one is 41 mm with a 1.2 display and other is 45 mm with a slightly bigger 4.1 screen display. The dimensions have shrunken while the screen have grown by 0.1, suggesting that the dial will be slimmer with the alteration. As for the technical specifications, the wearable features have 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of native storage, 245 mAh up to 345 mAh batteries for the two variants. The Tizen OS 5.5, not to mention a host of health sensors. The Galaxy Watch 3 can track your heart rate with 8 pulse sensors, blood pressure, and even electrocardiogram. We call it like ACG. Although it remains to be seen if Samsung can get global markets to sign off on the ECG technology. The Watch Active 2 ACG feature is available in Korea. That's all for today. If you like the video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thank you.